Showbiz turned Politiko couple Ormor Mayor Richard Gomez and Leyte Representative Lucy Torres had a low-key celebration to mark their 22nd year as a married couple. They had to spend their special day at home because of the COVID-19 lockdown. The mayor, however, found a way to make things special by planting a dita tree. Accompanying them is their only child, Juliana. Lucy, on the other hand, remembered their wedding day by posting this video on Instagram.
Thank you for watching Politiko TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.